sturdy arms, we both learned to cradle them, live without, oh, 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 oh. Live without, oh, 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 oh. Live
So here we are, we screwed up a little bit. We're already pretty out of our depth. The track that we came on is steep, really steep. It's the steepest thing we've been on. I'm pretty sure the car, I know the car can handle it. It wouldn't have all the features it does if it couldn't. But I just had the experience to be comfortable with it. And now we've reached this, as you can see behind me. It comes up above my knees. We don't have a snorkel on the car, and I literally have no experience with the car at all. I don't have any mechanical knowledge. It's so frustrating because the campground is literally across the river. I can see the sign from across the other side of the river, but I think we've got to plan B it and turn around and go back. So it's a shame. Oh well, these things happen. So this is where we stayed last night. As I said, sometimes these things happen. A waterfront hotel in a town called Moruya. We had some pizza and ate our sorrows, I guess. We're going to try again today to go back to Deua, or Deua, however you say it. Maybe one of the more accessible campsites. We found out that it's actually only accessible in dry weather, and the river was, I don't know, 500 mils deep. Found out the wading, whatever, for the Pajero is 700 millimeters. So she could have made it, maybe. Definitely not worth the risk there, so we made the right choice.
Light strikes a deal with each coming night. Oh, 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 oh. Coming.
So we gave up on Deua National Park. we went down another road, come round the corner, road closed, and I was like, right, screw it, I'm done with this place. So we made our way north towards Bateman Bay, where we're heading on Thursday anyway. And we stopped at Gorilla Bay, where we are now, for some lunch. And we see some splashing out about a kilometre out to sea, and it's a mother and her calf humpback whale, and they're both playing around splashing their tails, and all of a sudden the calf just starts breaching, like fully out the water, which is amazing. Didn't have my camera, obviously. So, but yeah, it's really, really special. We've arrived at Red Gums campground after a testing day. You may wonder why we're sat in the car. Well, hold on a second, I'll show you. That's why. It's the windiest place I think I've ever been to. If this was up at Buller, it would be a wind-hole day and all the lifts would be closed. I was getting something out the back of the car and a branch hit me in the back of the head. And various other enjoyable things. The tent looks like it's
bending.
It's doing okay. So just to give you a little update, now it's raining. So that's good. We're just sat in the car reading Gone Girl to each other. So yeah, love Australia, love camping. Trying to stay positive.
Yeah, what are we going to do for dinner?
Sandwiches. Okay. Okay, so we gave up. We were defeated. The past 48 hours have been the testing. retrying, hard work. And we were defeated. We gave up and we came to Pretty Beach a day early. And I'm very glad we did. It's a much nicer campsite, it's facilities, just relaxed. Unfortunately, because we came a day early, our spot wasn't free, so tomorrow we're going to have to remove the tent, but whatever. Okay, better.